I am excited to be announcing channel memberships here on my YouTube channel. I've been toying with the idea of starting the memberships for a while, and recently I've been going through a whole course that YouTube is providing about channel memberships and about how I can help provide you guys with some more value. So the whole goal of the channel memberships is kind of twofold. It's one, to give you guys more value, and it's also a way for me to help keep this channel sustainable so I can continue to make awesome videos for you guys. So I appreciate all of you, whether you are interested in memberships or not, that's okay. I just appreciate you watching videos, commenting, liking, all that helps contribute to my channel being successful and allowing me to be able to do this full time for you guys and just make awesome content and help you guys learn DaVinci Resolve and video editing, and of course audio stuff too. So I'm sure the memberships are going to evolve over time here, but so far I set up 3 different levels, and I just want to show you what they are. If you're interested, you can check it out, and if not, that's perfectly okay too. So let's take a look at the first tier here that we have for the channel memberships. The first level of membership is called the Loyalty Fan Member, and it's $2.99 a month, and here's what that gets you. It's going to get you some custom icons that are going to appear next to your name, so depending on how long you've been a member of the channel, you're going to get a different color icon here, and you can see on the screen what ones are for how long. So 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months, 36, 48, and 60 months. And I created little DaVinci Resolve logos here, or icons that are different colors, and they kind of correspond with how YouTube does their colors for the various lengths of memberships. So you're going to get one of those based on how long you've been a member. And then you're also going to get cool custom emojis that you can use in the comments or on live streams when I do live streams. So down here you can see I've got a few different custom emojis. We've got the color tab, the edit, Fairlight, and Fusion. So I thought those are kind of cool, right? You can add those in, and not everybody's going to have them, only the members are going to have them. In addition to those 2 perks, you'll also get priority response to comments. So I try and respond to everybody's comment, but it's kind of getting to the point where I can't really get back to everybody. But if I see that you're a member, you are going to have priority in me responding to your comment or trying to help you out over somebody who's not a member. So I think that's a good little perk since it's getting a little hard to keep up with all the comments that I get on my channel. But I still am going to do my best to respond to everybody, even if you're not a member. The second tier of the channel membership here is going to be discounts and free files. So you're going to get a 25% discount all the time on whatever you want on my store, on my Shopify. So anything that's already there, as well as anything I add in the future, you'll get 25% off on that. And then you're also going to get free files. So if I make a tutorial, kind of like I did with my superhero landing, and instead of providing those files for free to everybody, there'll be still some I provide for free, but most of them I'm going to charge a few dollars if you want to download the file to follow along. But if you're a member of this tier 2 membership, you're going to get those files for free. I'll give you guys a code so that you can head on over to my Shopify, download them for free. You can just follow along with the tutorial that's going to be up on YouTube. So I'm going to try and do more of that where I can provide you guys with free files. And even if I don't make the file available to everybody, I'm going to try and make the files available to members of the tier 2 membership here. So that way you've got things to try out, to play with, and to follow along with the various videos that I'll make. The third tier here is $9.99 a month, and it's going to be monthly live streams where any of the members of this tier can jump on the live stream. We can interact, we can talk, we can answer questions that you might have, we can figure out issues you might be having, work through things. You know, we're going to see how it all goes, and depending on what you guys need, which kind of questions you have, we'll figure out, you know, how it all works and everything. But we'll spend some time there online together, and I can just help you out with any issues that you might be having. Now, each one of these tiers, if you did a tier 2, you get tier 1 and tier 2. If you did tier 3, you get tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3. So keep that in mind. Whatever level you might pick, if you're interested, you get everything below that as well. So again, this is not something that I'm expecting everybody to jump in on, but I wanted to give you guys the opportunity, if it's something that you're interested in and you want to help support the channel more, you want some more value from me, the channel memberships are a way we can kind of make that happen. And like I said, these might evolve over time, and we might add in different kinds of things, but for now, this is where we're going to start, and I just want to try and give you guys as much value as I can out of me and my channel here, all while keeping it sustainable so that I can continue to do this for you guys. Over the years, I've really enjoyed having this channel. It's just been a blessing to me. I love doing this stuff. Really excited that I get to help out so many people out there, and that this channel's grown to over 100,000 subscribers. It blows my mind. Like, I can't believe we're there. It's crazy. But it's a blessing that I can do this and be creative and help so many people and not have to go sit back at a desk job, right? So thank you guys so much for all that support that you give me, whether it's dropping a comment or just watching a video even. You don't even have to do anything. Just by watching a video, You're supporting me, and I appreciate it. And you guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. I love this DaVinci Resolve community. It's really, really awesome, and I'm glad I'm a part of it. All right, with that said, if you're interested in memberships, check them out. If not, perfectly fine. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.